Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make twice baked potato. Pierce the potato because I want the air, the heat. I don't want the potato to break. So after piercing the potato, I transfer to a preheated oven 200 degrees for at least 1 hour until the potato chicken sausage. I wash off camera. Next, I'm going to cut into two, then cut again into half. If you've watched it this time, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel and also encourage me to do more. Thank you as you do so. After scooping out the potato flesh, transfer the skin back to the oven to bake for another 10 minutes so that it's going to harden up. Next, I have the potato flesh. So now we're going to mix all the ingredients together. I'm adding evaporated milk for that flavor. Then add whole milk, but you can use buttermilk. Then add 4 seasoning peppercorns for that rich flavor. After that, I add half a teaspoon of hot pepper for that African twist. You know what I mean? After that, I add salt for taste. Then add handful of cheese. I'm using mild cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. After that, with a potato match, I match it until it is smooth. So after that, this is the finished product. This is what I call delicious delicia, twice baked potato with a twist. Guys, with a twist. It is so yummy. To eat it, I pair it with boiled vegetable, mixed veg, and enjoy. Voila, it is delicious. As soon as I made this at home, one did not remain. It was even not enough. It was not enough. That is how good it is. So please try this recipe, and if you're going to do that, let me know in the comment section. And if you do that, also come back and let me know. Subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Follow me on Facebook, because I have Facebook channel, the same name, Continental Food. Please follow me there and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.